Hi, it's Ray from Excel and VBA Craftsman. Today I just want to take you through a really quick ditty that demonstrates a way to use Access incorporated with a Word document to potentially improve the accuracy and the quality of your documents. And in my case, I have to bid on jobs at various job boards. And the name of the game is they list their requirements. They might want you to be working on databases, et cetera, et cetera. Um, and what I do is I just list out their requirements, and then I slot in my relevant experience to demonstrate that I've worked on that stuff, and I'm a candidate worth considering. Okay, so I want you to think of a bigger picture that of the many ways of documents that are business people that are out there use documents, create documents, bid documents. You might even be applying for a job where you want to specify what their requirements are and how you have the experience that meets. In this case, it's a little technical because it's a technical bid, but in your case, it might be your general skills or experience at various companies and how you meet the requirements for the job that someone's got. Okay, so what I do is I go out and I slot in all I copy right off the job spec sheets what they require. And I noticed I've been doing this a number of times, and then I'm writing the same stuff. I'm running around copying from cutting and pasting from various documents, and it really isn't an efficient way to do it, right? And I want to do it, and I want my responses to evolve and get better as I reread some more. So what I've done is, okay, I create this template. This is just happens to be mine. Their requirements, my relevant response. Now here, underneath this, I've hidden the field, right? And it's a macro button essentially. When you double click on it, it's going to launch call skills library, right? It also has my relevant experience as the displayed text, right? Now, because we're in a recording, a screen recording, it appears slightly off screen, but it works, right? So I'll double click on this. Well, let's look at our first one, financial modeling, skills down at the bottom. I saw that's a quick one. So let's just double click. And oops, got a left click. Oh, here we go. Okay. So we double click, and I want to go to VBA. Nope, I want to go to VBA General, and I say it's technical order work with J. It's my first model Excel. Okay, so this is about financial modeling experience, right? Copy the clipboard. Go here. Control V, and there's my answer. Okay. We are located. Okay, so this is remote work. Well, let's do that one last. I'm going to demonstrate that one. Okay. So this next one is experience reporting data. Okay, this is all about big databases, and I don't particularly have experience with Solver, but I have tons of experience with large databases. So let's go databases and big data sets. Perfect. That's what I want, right? So copy the clipboard. I don't have to do that. So I say edit. I can right click and I guess, no, let's just do Control V. It's just easier. Control V. Oh, I don't like that. Why is it highlighted? Control V and take it back. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. Detail oriented. Okay, general skills, right? VBA general. Not financial models. General macro skills. Okay. Copy the clipboard. Put it in here. Control V. And I can see that I have some things I want to fix. Okay, and you don't want don't. We want do not. Oops. Do not. Okay, so that now we have one left. Now I don't think I have. I may have taken it off. VBA general. Okay. Remote work experience. Well, let's put that up. Okay. It doesn't look right, so let's get rid of that. Okay. Yes, I want to delete it. Okay, so let's go. Bring this back, and I want to create one for remote work experience and telecommuting and all that neat stuff, right? So let's go, let's put it on the VBA General. Let's say add. Let's say remote. Ooh, I don't like the capital E there, I'm sorry. Remote work. X-P-E-R-I-E-N-C-E. And we want to change this, but it just so happens that I have a remote work experience In my years traveled extensively. That's my remote work experience. I have that in another document. So let's go over here to this document. Let's change it. Control V. Okay. Get rid of the extra spaces. I don't like them. And we say save. And when it pops up, it should be saved. So let's close it. Let's take another look. Pull it over. What was it under? VBA General. And it was remote work experience. And there we go. Copy to clipboard. Go here. Oops, this can go. And we're going to say Control V. Yeah, I traveled extensively. Okay. Okay. You saw how fast I filled that out, right? But what can happen is over time you're going to rewrite these and you're going to improve them. I see SQL error, SEQUEL, SQL is right, but I like SEQUEL, right? SQL queries. So you're going to improve these. You're going to have a consistent document, and you're going to do it quickly. And as you build this, you'll continue as you continue to bid on more jobs. Your Access database is going to become more extensive. Now, this is a pretty simple thing. So what we have behind here is a simple macro that calls up the form, the skills library form, and the skills library form talks to Microsoft Access database, skills library database, right? One table, really simple, right? 4 fields: ID, expertise area, specific skill description. Now, in my case, it's a pretty basic thing, but you could have something far more advanced if you required it. Like, you might have multiple levels where your whatever response you're making, it requires that you go down and you have to choose through multiple. Your database will be more complex, and you'll have to go through multiple levels. It could be, and you can have multiple connections to multiple tables. So you might have another section of it in the document that requires you to look up something else. The point is that the potential is unlimited, and it's a very easy thing to do. Now, on my website, I'm going to give you the free download of mine. You can take it further, or if you need help with it, you can give me a call. This could save you real time. So to make it's a decision on about the quality of the documents that you produce, and sort of an assurance that what goes out the door is good every time. So thanks. It's Ray with Excel and VBA Craftsman. And if you're interested, just shoot me a note. Thanks.